choosing the right patterns, making the right selections is really a make or break decision. So getting free samples to me is key, but the question may be, how do you do it? And how do you even know which samples you want to see? To me, the best way to do this is to first start, as step one, is go to a visualizer tool. I'm going to show you here the Innovate Visualizer tool. You can either find it right here on the site or where it says Interactive Visualizer. I'm clicking right there. I'm going to click Get Started right here. I can choose any of these 3 room scenes. I'm going to choose the shower one here. Then on the left-hand side, it says Shower and Tub Wall Panels. I'll click that. I'm going to look first in the Transitionalist collection. And let's say I like the Gray Sahara. It's going to put the Gray Sahara here. So if I said, oh, I really want a free sample of Gray Sahara, I can click right underneath this little Gray Sahara button to the Free Sample button. It's going to take me here. I will fill out this information. Once that comes into the Innovate office, one of our team will give you a call. They'll answer your questions that you might have about the installation, about cost, technical questions. Then they'll forward your information to Ashley or one of the team to get those samples out. Once Ashley has it, usually within 2 to 4 days, you should get those samples. If you do have questions, feel free to call 877-668-5888 or go to innovatewallpanels.com.